In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of your newly listed items not appearing on Facebook Marketplace, a common problem many users face in 2025. This solution should help ensure that your listings are visible to potential buyers, so let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to your Facebook profile. Open your Facebook app or desktop site and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on your profile page, you'll want to click on the option that says See More. This is usually located on the left side of the screen on desktop or under the hamburger menu on mobile. This action will reveal more of the app's features and shortcuts, making it easier to access the Marketplace option. After clicking See More, you should now see a list of various Facebook functionalities, including the Facebook Marketplace. Click on Marketplace. This is where all your buying and selling activities take place on Facebook and where our fix will occur. Navigating to Marketplace should be straightforward, but keep in mind that it might look slightly different depending on your device or any recent updates. Once in Marketplace, you'll want to focus on the Selling section, which is your hub for managing listings that you've posted. Click on Selling to get a detailed view of all items you have listed. This section will show all your active, pending, and past listings, allowing you to manage them effectively. Now find the specific product that you're having trouble with. You will notice 3 dots situated beside your product. These dots act as a menu for additional options related to that listing. Clicking on these 3 dots will prompt a small drop-down menu to appear. Here's where the magic happens. From that drop-down menu, look for the option that says Renew Listing. Go ahead and click on this. The Renew Listing option effectively refreshes your listing status, thereby boosting its visibility again on Marketplace. It's important to note that you might have a limit on how often you can renew, so use this option judiciously to maximize exposure. While this process should solve the issue of your list not appearing, remember that persistence is key, and such steps might need to be repeated periodically, especially if your items don't immediately gain traction. That's it. By following these steps, you should have no trouble maximizing the visibility of your listings. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more handy tips.